So good morning everyone. So in exercise 6, we are doing our second problem. Okay, so what is sixth question? At what rate a sum doubles itself in 8 years 4 months? So only they have given the time. We have to find the principal and amount value, and also we have to find the rate of interest here. So what they told here, at what rate a sum doubles? Sum is nothing but amount will be doubled. Okay, so here, they didn't give any principal value, so I am taking it as P here. Principal is equals to P, and rate of interest we have to find. So rate of interest we have to find, so that will be R%. And what they told, amount is doubled. Amount is doubled means it will be 2P. Okay, amount will be doubled. That means it will be 2P. Amount value will be equals to 2P. And what is the time they have given? Time is equals to 8 years 4 months. What they have given? 8 years 4 months. So this 8 I am writing as it is. 4 months I am converting into the form of fraction. So in 1 year you will be seeing how many months? 12 months. So I am dividing this 4 with 12 now. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So what is the result? 3 fours are 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25 by 3 years. Okay, so it will be 25 by 3 years. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the rate of interest. What we have to find? We have to find the rate of interest. So before finding the rate of interest, first we have to find the interest value. So which formula we will use? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Okay, for before finding this, before taking this formula, I am using this one. Why? Because I want first I value. After getting the I value, then only I can find the R value. So that's why I am taking first formula as A is equals to P plus I. So amount value is how much here? 2P. And principal is P itself plus interest. I want to find this I know. So I is equals to 2P minus P. So I value will be how much here? P. So I value you got it as P. Now what we have to find? We are going to find now rate of interest. So which formula we are using? I is equals to PTR by 100. So I value already we are having it as P. Principal value is P. Time is 25 by 3 into R value is we don't know, so we have to find that. Okay. Now I am sending this 3 to down. So P is equals to P into 25 into R by, it will be 300. 3 into 100 will be 300. Now I am sending this 300 to this side. So that will be converted into multiplication. So P into 300 is equals to P into 25 into R. Okay. Now I am sending this P, or P into 300 will be 300P is equals to 25 into R will be 25 into P will be 25P into R. Okay. Now I am sending this 25P to other side, that will be converted into division. So R is equals to 300P by 25P. Here P will get cancelled. How many times you can take here? 25. So it will be 12 times. 25 ones are 25, 12s are. So what is the rate of interest here? Rate of interest is 12%. So this is our second answer. Okay. So they have given, they didn't give anything about principal. I am taking it as P. Rate of interest we have to find. About amount, he told that amount will be doubled. So I am taking it as 2P. Time they have given as 8 years 4 months. So 8 I wrote as it is. These 4 months have converted into year. So 1 year is equals to 12 months. That means 4 divided by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So what is remaining? 8 1 by 3. So this mixed fraction I am converting into improper fraction. So 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25 by 3 years. Okay. Now which formula I am using? A is equals to P plus I. A value is 2P. P plus I here. So I want to find the I value. So I am transposing the terms. I is equals to P you got. Now which formula we have used? I is equals to PTR by 100. So I value is P. P value is P itself. T value is 25 by 3 into R by 100. These two I have multiplied, that will become 300. After transposing everything, you got the R value as 12%. So this is our second solution. So with this our chapter is completed. We will do 2 or 3 example problems now. So which example problem I am doing? It is 21st example I am doing. Example 21. Okay, so what is the 21st example? In what time will 6,880 amount to 7,224 if a simple interest is calculated at 10% per annum? So what we have to find? We have to find the time value here. Okay, so here principal how much they have given? Principal is 6,880 rupees and the amount value is how much? 7,224 rupees. Okay, and time they have given, time we have to find, and rate of interest they have given as, rate of interest is 10% and time we have to find. So I am taking that as T itself. Okay, now which formula I have to use? I want to find the T value. That means we are having two formulas, that is I is equals to PTR by 100 and one more is A is equals to P plus I. So which formula we will use in this? We want time, that means this part we want. Okay, for finding this one we want P value, R value and also I value. Okay, we have P value and R value but we don't know the I value. So first by using this formula we will find the interest value. Okay, so which formula we are using? A is equals to P plus I. Okay, so amount value is 7,224, principal is 6,880 plus interest we have to find. Okay, now you transpose the terms. I is equals to 7,224 minus 6,880. So that will be, interest value will be how much? 344 rupees. Now you got the interest value also. Now you can find the time here. So which formula we are using now? That is I is equals to PTR by 100. Okay. Now what is interest value? That is 344 is equals to, principal value is how much? 6,880 into time we have to find, rate of interest is 10 by 100. Okay, now here 0 will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled. So 344 is equals to 688 into T. Now I am transposing this 688 to other side. So T is equals to 344 by 688. Okay, how many times it will go? It will go in 2 times. 344 2s are 8, 8, 6. So it will be 2 times here. 344 1s are, 344 2s are. Time is how much? Half year. Half year is nothing but 6 months. Okay, so this is our example 21. Okay, next one is example 22. We will see. Example number 22. So what is the question here? What sum will yield an interest of 3,927 in 2 years 4 months at 8% per annum? So here simple interest value they have given, rate of interest they have given, and time also they have given. So what we have to find? We have to find the principal value. Okay. So how to find that we will see. So simple interest, how much they have given? Simple interest is 3,927 rupees and rate of interest is 8%. Time they have given as 2 years 4 months. So 2 years I am writing as it is. 4 months can be written in the form of 4 by 12. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, that is 7 by 3 years. Okay, now which formula we have to use? We have to use what we have to find? We have to find the principal value. So which formula we will use? I is equals to PTR by 100. I value we know, P we have to find, time we know, rate of interest also we know. So directly I am applying I is equals to PTR by 100. So I is equals to P value we have to find. Sorry, I value is how much? 3,927 is equals to P value we have to find. Time is 7 by 3 into rate of interest is 8 by 100. Okay. Now I am multiplying these two. So 3,927 is equals to P into 7 into 8 by 300. Okay. Now I am transposing these two values to other side. So that will be, first I am transposing this 300 to other side. So that will be in the form of multiplication. So 3927 into 300 is equals to P into 7 into 8. Now these two values I am transposing, both are in the form of multiplication. So if I transpose, that will be converted into division. So P is equals to 3,927 into 300 by 7 into 8. Okay. Now cancel this. In which table we can cancel? So I am doing in a 2 table first, or you can take 4 table. 4 twos are 4 sevens are 28, 4 fives are 4 fives are 20, that is 75 times. And which table we can take? Can be cancelled in 7 table. So yes, that is 7 ones are 7, 5, 60. Ones are will be 3,927. So now multiply and divide this. 561 into 75 divided by 2. Multiply these two terms. That will be 561 into 75. 5 ones are 5, 5 sixes are 30, 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 3 will be 28. 7 ones are 7, 7 sixes are 42, 7 fives are 35, 35 plus 4 will be 39. How much you got? That is 42015 divided by 2. So P is equals to, it will be how much? 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14.5. So you got it as 21,007.5 rupees. So the principal is how much? 21,007.5 rupees. Okay. So this is our example 22. Okay. Next is example 23. Okay, so what is example number 23? At what rate per annum will 6,360 yields an interest of 1,378 into 1/2 years? So in this case they have given principal value, interest value, time value. So we have to find what rate of interest we have to find. Okay, so what they have given, principal value they have given. Principal value is how much? 6,360, and simple interest they have given as 1,378. Time they have given as 2 1/2 years. So 2 1/2 years is nothing but 5/2 years. Convert that into mixed fraction, improper fraction. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find here rate of interest, but I am taking it as R% only. Okay, now which formula I am using? I is equals to PTR by 100, because we know the principal value, rate of interest we have to find, time value we know, interest value also we know. So we are using this formula, that is I is equals to PTR by 100. Okay, so what is the interest value? That is 1,378 is equals to, principal is 6,360 into time is 5/2, rate of interest we have to find by 100. Now you multiply these two. So 1,378 is equals to 6360 into 5 into R by 2 into 100 will be 200. 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So we can cancel in 4 table again. 4 ones are 4, 2 will be remaining. 4, how many times you can take? 4 5s are 20, 3 will be there. 4 9s are 36. So 1378 is equals to 159 into R. Okay, now transpose is 159 to other side. So R is equals to 1,378 by 159. Now do cancellation here. So what will be the rate of percent? We will see here. It will be 14, 15. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. It will not go in 3 table. So directly we will divide here. So how many times you can take here? That is, we will take it as 8 times. 8 9s are 72, 8 5s are 40, 47, 8 1s are 8. So it will be 1272. 9 times also we will take once. 9 9s are 81, 9 5s are 45, 45, 53, 9 ones are 9, it will be 14. So it will be bigger numbers. I am taking 8 times. So 159 8 is 1272. So subtract this 601. So how much you will get here? 0.0 I am taking. So you can take it as 7 times. Once you take it as 7 times, 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35, 39. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So you got it as 1097. It is bigger number. Take it as 6 times. 6 6 are 36, 6 5s are 30, 33. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So you can take it as 936. 159 6 is 936. So it will be 10, 4, 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 0, it will be 0. Okay. So what is the rate of percent here? That will be 8.6%. Okay. So this is our example number 23. So remaining in next class we will start our new chapter. Thank you.